Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today's meditation is again on one of the archangels. This time it's Archangel Raguel. Now, I don't know a whole lot about him, so I did a little research, and Doreen Virtue, a lot of us enjoy reading her books on angels, says that this is a perfect angel for bringing harmony to all relationships, from family all the way to business. So Raguel's mission is to provide you with the steps to follow that will help you mend and bring into harmony any relationships that are not. So quickly pick a relationship. Go ahead, somebody at work, somebody in the family. Let's not take on world relationships yet because we're just beginners here. But we always can ask for world peace and harmony. And we're going to get started. So we'll say the prayers of protection and the Lord's Prayer. We'll go through a guided portion of the meditation and sit in silence for a few minutes. At the end of the silent period, you'll hear the chimes so I don't jolt you out by speaking. And then we will close with the 23rd Psalm as we pull ourselves back together. All right, guys, let's get started. Let's take a deep breath, close our eyes, and begin to relax. Take another deep breath and invite yourself to go even deeper. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let us just scan our bodies and notice for any tightness, any discomfort. And should you find some, bring your mind's attention to that place and ask it to release. Ask your body to let go and just relax, accepting this quiet time, this time to renew. Now let's bring our attention to the top of our heads and our third eye between our eyebrows in the middle of our forehead. This is the place, both of these places are where the energy and the divine spirit comes into our bodies and provides us everything we need. The only thing that stops us from receiving what we need are the blocks we put up. So as this beautiful energy enters our body and we follow the path through and out our feet, we will welcome any blocks to be removed. So let us bring our attention to the flow as it moves into our head, into our brain, where all the signals are firing, all the neurons and all that beautiful stuff going on. And anywhere we hold the connection that is resisting the divine's intervention, we release it and let it go. As the energy flows into our throats, if there's any blocks from choosing God's will for us, we release them at this time. As this beautiful energy continues to flow through us, we follow it into our heart. If there's any memories and emotions that are stored here that block the divine, we now release them. And feel the warmth just rushing through your body as your heart absorbs all this divine energy that you just allowed in. Going down into the trunk of your body, down into your solar plexus, releasing as you go any blocks that stop the divine. Down to your second chakra, the dantian, just below your belly button, to the root of your spine, down your legs, out your feet, feeling all the blocks just flowing out your feet now, as you are fully open to His will, as we petition Archangel Raguel to assist us in praying for and healing relationships. We will now lift our spirit up and sit with this mighty angel and listen for any divine intervention. So bring your energy up from your second chakra, pull your energy up all the way to your heart, to your head. Arise, my spirit, and meet thy Maker. Let us sit up and await to see the Archangel Raguel bring us the answers we need from the divine in respect to this relationship. Let's take just a moment and be grateful for this time. Say thank you for the messages, for the peace, and for the removal of the blocks. As we sink back into our heads, settling into our bodies, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. I am still too altered to be able to drive, so please pay attention to yourselves if you are going into the car. You all have a wonderful, beautiful weekend. Love you. Thanks for joining me and hope to see you again on Monday. Bye now.